Alright, I'm going to start the process of blacking out the front of this. I already started to, I unbolted that already, if you can tell. And I started cleaning it up, and I realized that I wasn't filming. Remember, I'm not a professional, guys. I'm just some dude in his garage just having fun with some old cars. But anyway, I'm going to work on this one, and we're going to start the blackout process. Alright, we're going to hit it with some self-etching primer. And then we'll wait till this dries and we'll put a regular coat of primer on there. And then go from there, see what we get. This stuff, from what I understand, it's a must. You have to do this. So, again, I'm just following the instructions, right? Alright, let's get at it. Alright, we'll let that set up, and then we'll scuff it up, sand it up a little bit. I want to take care of that little spot right there. And just keep working until she's smooth. Alright, scuffed it up again. We'll put another coat of primer on it, let it dry, and repeat until it's smooth. Alright, let me hit another coat of primer. Alright, so all these old trucks have these little spots, so I'm just going to cut this out right here, remove all of the bad metal on it. I'm going to put that stop rust stuff with the pour 15, and then pour 15 up in there, cut a piece of metal, put it in there, and because it's on this truck, I'm just going to pop ribbon that thing in there. So I think it will fit a little better. If anybody thinks that this is how I do work, I'm only doing it on this truck. Please, before you comment, look at another one of my videos. I have a couple of cool cars, nicer stuff. And this one I'm just keeping as ratty and patinaed as I possibly can. And I think that that will be cool. So that's why I'm doing it. All right, there's my little patch on that side. A good running little small block Chevy. And there's my patch on that side. So, just goes with the patina. I guess on to the next part. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button. Come down here, hit that sub button. Click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. So another thing I decided I was going to do, I was going to black out all the chrome letters. Used to be in chrome there. Kind of pitted and kind of dull. So it was either replace them, leave them alone, or paint them black. And I kind of like the black on it. So there you go. Just a little bit there. It's all black in there. The only thing I don't like is that intake. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, the intake is fine. And the motor runs good. And that's where I should be focused right now. Just doing that and just doing very, very minimum changes. But, yeah, who knows. So I got these off right here. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit. And they're being in the paint process. Again, there's my panels down there. Coming right along, one little project at a time. Alright. Black that out. I didn't remove this piece because I can get the tape right behind it and razor blade it, and it was not necessary to do it. So I think it's turning out pretty nice. And we'll see the rest of it tomorrow. Alright, now look at this truck. There's an emblem blacked out. Man, I think it's nice black like that. Might do the headlight bezels as well on this one. So this was the latest truck. There is a video I just put out right before this one last week on this whole truck. There's a close-up look on it. So you can check that video out. But this is just $49. So far, the glass has come in. See this crack right here? I do have new glass that's in already. Here is carpeting to go inside. So I am going to put the sound deadening and carpet in this. And just keep it kind of clean, but not too fancy. And like I said in the last video, go check that one out. I'm going to put a wood bed in here. But so far, I'm not sure how far I'm going with this one, other than having a cool a shop truck, and just driving the thing, man. I'm telling you, this thing runs like a dream. All right, there's the sound deadening insulation put in the truck. I didn't film this because I did a whole video on it. Check back, and I did a whole video on putting this in the Dreamsicle. So how to do it and all that stuff. And it's pretty easy. Key is that little roller. I'm not kidding you. That roller makes it so nice. You can roll over anything and just cut. So anyway, I got that painted back there because I don't know how far the carpet goes up, but I don't want to see any of the foil back there. So I just put a little paint on it. So right now, the only thing I got to do is, see the seats are in good shape in this, is just lay that carpet in here and go from there. So hang on, here comes some carpet. Alright, so check out how easy this carpet goes in. Not all carpet goes in this easy. But man, on these old trucks, I'm not kidding you, literally just basically lay this in here. So most of the holes for this one is cut out already. And I'll go over the company who provided the carpet for this truck. And I say provided, I mean not a sponsor. So yeah, just on this particular one, you might have to cut around your pedal. It depends on, you know, what setup you have. All right, so this is the carpet we're putting in. Auto Custom Carpet. World's leading manufacturer of automotive replacement carpets. Employee owned and operated, made proudly in the USA. I tell you what, if you need carpet, it's good quality carpet. So I ordered this online in the saddle color. And you put your phone number in, of course. Well, it was late at night, so the next day, as soon as it was their business open, I got a phone call from a young lady there. She says they don't have that color in stock right now. The shipment should be in the next couple of days. And would I like to change the color so I can get it shipped out right away? She said she'd be willing to send me all the color samples straight over to my computer, you know, high res, the whole deal. And I said, well, if it's coming in this week, it's no big rush. I will wait. So literally in like a day and a half, I get notification that they're shipping my carpet. So I'm telling you, that is good service. Because it took them a day and a half to get the carpet out shipped instead of the day I ordered it, they give me a call and give me options. And just great customer service. And I'll tell you what, if I need carpet for anything else, you know how I'm always buying cars. I'm going to definitely go to these people and see if they can help me. So, all right, thought I'd give them a little point. No sponsor, nothing for free. I paid, oh man, I can't tell you. I'll put it somewhere in here after I edit this video. But yeah, it was not free and it wasn't sponsored. So there you go. Just thought I'd give them a good plug. Alrighty. So there's the carpet in. Painted up under there. Got some mats down. I still got to get some trim down on here. I'm just going to go get a piece of aluminum angle. Drill some holes in it. Screw her down. Call it a day. I think it turned out all right. Like I said, I'm not trying to go too far on this old truck. I'm just trying to keep it comfortable. Yeah, a whole lot nicer, I believe. Definitely nicer. Kind of matches on with the saddle. I'm not planning on changing the interior, so I didn't do anything different. Just bought those rubber mats from AutoZone, not sponsored. 15 bucks. Throw them in here, call it a day, you know? So there you go. Now we can move on to the next project. Alright guys, here's a look at my homemade carpet bar and weather stripping. There's a little piece of rubber right there. I'll show you what I used. Alright, what we have is just a piece of 3/4 by 3/4. And I cut it to size and drill a couple of holes into here. And the stuff I use is this rubber weather stripping. Frost King. All this stuff comes from Home Depot. And it's got that little ridge. Let me see if I can get this. Got this little ridge right here, and I tuck it up behind there, and that part sticks out. So I tuck this up between the cab of the truck and the aluminum angle. So, got a lifetime warranty. You didn't get that from the factory, did you? Alright, let me cut this up and get it on the other side. All right, here's the final look. Carpet's in. Weather stripping seals in. I think it looks pretty clean for old ratty truck. So, since I spoke to you like a few minutes ago, I did get confirmation my glass is coming. My door handles are coming. The company that I ordered from, they're just having difficulty shipping. So I canceled that ordered from another company. They had it in stock, so I'm getting it. But I still love the other company. All right, so I'm blackened all this out. I blackened out the emblems in a 3100. I also blackened out the headlight bezels. That's done. That looks nice, huh? Matches all the black, just clean on this old ratty truck. Okay, looking for some advice or opinions. What should I do about this, this, and this? So I got a couple options. I could black all that out as well. I can do that in chrome. Although I do have all this other stuff black, I could do the grill in chrome and then black that out. Or I can just leave it alone. Whatever you think. If you have a comment, put it in the bottom here, and we'll go from there. So, look, you can see the doors open over there. It's 55 degrees here. Still got 2 foot of snow on the ground. And this is the passenger side. So, there you go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Oh, by the way, what do you think? Got me a couple of t-shirts I can wear to do my videos. I got the gasser here, the Dreamsicle there, chasing muscle cars. Now, they're not for sale yet. You never know, maybe in the future. But right now, I got them so I can wear them during my videos. So, anyway, that's it for this video, and I'm out.